Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Organised Week. We're now on to day 4. This week is just flying by. It's actually a really horrible grey day today and it's pouring with rain, so it's actually really nice and cosy to be in the house and just doing a bit of organising. So today I'm going to be focusing on the boys' bedrooms, more specifically their wardrobes. This is a job I've been putting off for so long now because it really is bad. Elliot's wardrobe is much worse than Archie's because anything that no longer fits Archie just gets chucked in his wardrobe for when it one day will fit him, and it's just a disaster zone. So before I get into today's video, I just wanted to quickly say that if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button just down there to do so. It's completely free and you'll just get an update in your subscription box when I make a new video. There is the notification bell that you can click, which means that you'll get a little notification on your phone whenever a new video goes live, so you can be one of the first people to see it and comment on it. All of these things are free and they really help support me and grow my channel, so I would be so grateful if you wanted to do that. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump into today's video and I really hope you enjoy it. So both of the boys have identical wardrobe slash cupboards in their room, which actually meet over the top of the stairs. So these are really great areas in their rooms for storage, especially for clothes. They both have rails in them. Archie's isn't looking that bad. It's because obviously he doesn't have hand-me-downs. So once he grows out of his clothes, he has to wait for us to buy him new things. And they do have chest of drawers in their bedroom, which they both had a matching set. Elliot actually broke his, so all of his clothes are going to be going in the wardrobe for now until we can replace that. But Archie does have a few drawers in his room for things like pants, socks, pyjamas, that kind of thing. So this is Elliot's side. That's an embarrassment. Yeah, everything has just been chucked in here and I can't tell you how good it will feel to get this sorted out. So as it's becoming my catchphrase for the week, now I'm going to, you guessed it, pull everything out and organise it into categories. So for today it's going to be things like another donate pile, a pile that can be passed down from Archie to Elliot and kept in his wardrobe as hand-me-downs. And then I'm going to have actually quite a lot of stuff that's too small for either of them now, which obviously when Archie was younger I kept because I kind of knew that I would have another boy. I just knew that I would use those things again. And then yeah, hopefully we'll have two very organised boys' wardrobes.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop.
I love these tops where you can move the sequins. So cute, and I love that they're like putting them on boys' clothes as well, not just girls' clothes. It says I run this show. It's a new little top from Georgia, Asda actually. It was only £4, so they both have one of them.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Tambourine, bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh,
You've been organising as well, Arch? What are you organising?
Toys.
Are they in different categories in your boxes?
Yeah.
Wow, you've done a really good job.
I need to find more boxes.
Just FYI on the continuity of outfits, my outfits changed because today's video and tomorrow's video I'm kind of filming them in one big go. So please ignore the random outfit changes. Back to the video. Elliot's wardrobe is all done. So let's have a quick look. As you can see, there's a lot more clothes in here than in Archie's. So I'll quickly show you how I've organised everything. It's so much better than before. So along the top, I've just hung everything. His shirts really need an iron, but regardless of that, I've put jumpers here because he does have a long enough rail to not really have to put away winter things. So there are some age 3 to 4 jumpers here, which were Archie's of course, that I think he'll probably fit into next winter. And then he's got his suit and some smart trousers and shirts. And then he's got all of his kind of, I call them holiday shirts, but he just wears them in the summer, and there's so many of them. Then I've got some long sleeve tops because it's still cold, some nicer t-shirts and jeans, and some shorts that are a bit smarter as well, and new ones. And then along the bottom, I've arranged his baskets. I prefer these ones, but I only had 2. These are actually from B&Q, so I'm going to actually get 2 more eventually, so it all kind of is equal, and they're bigger as well. These ones are a little bit too small for his pyjamas. So in this one, I've just popped all of his shorts. There's so many in there. There's no point, again, in Marie Kondoing these because it just wouldn't work in this kind of box form, I don't think. And then I've put his more like jogging style trousers in here. And then in this one I've got some pairs of socks and some summer hats. Then I've got some shoes here which are like smarter ones that again were Archie's, which I think he'll fit into this summer. And then in here I've just put all of his t-shirts, which are the ones he wears maybe more to nursery, around the house every day. They don't really need to be hung up. And some swimming shorts are in there too. And then finally in here I've just popped some pyjamas. I did actually kind of do this in a Marie Kondo style, just because it worked better in this than piling them up. But I've just got his little pyjama sets here, so that's worked really well. I've also got a huge pile of stuff to donate now, so this is everything that's going to go to charity. I need to fold it, but this is just some of the things that I wanted to keep that were a little bit more sentimental, like these White Company striped pyjamas and these Kidson pyjama bottoms that they both wore. I don't know why, you just keep sentimental silly things, don't you? Like this little bunny hat, which neither of them ever wanted to wear, and his first pair of shoes from Clark's as well. Hey Harry, how are you? Oh, it's Archie. Sorry, I thought you were Harry Potter. And then in here, it's all looking very bare, to be honest. He does have quite a lot of stuff in the wash. Most of his school uniforms downstairs being washed at the moment. Again, we've got some bits and pieces that I've hung up very similar to Elliot's, jumpers, smarter t-shirts, holiday shirts, his suit. And then in these boxes, I'm probably going to get the same ones that I want to get for Elliot's eventually, but these are really lovely. He's had them since he was a baby. I put sports clothes in here, sports shorts and football shirts and things like that. And then in here is just going to be swimming shorts and swimming stuff. So he's just got, oh, see what I mean? I did fold all of this, but someone has already been through it. So Marie Kondoing things is pointless in this house. So he's got t-shirts that he wears every day, and then I'm going to pop all of his joggers and jeans in here because he likes to be able to dress himself now, so I don't want to hang everything up that he wears on a daily basis. Another reason I realised that he doesn't have that many clothes is because he's at school every day, so he's in his school uniform 5 days a week. So we just haven't been buying him that much stuff, but I'm sure he has a bit more than this. And then I've done his pyjamas the same as Elliot's in here, so he's got some pyjamas. So there you go, that's the boys' wardrobes and drawers all sorted and organised. Now I know exactly what they've got for the next season and what I need to buy Archie some clothes, clearly. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you're enjoying the week so far, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. And I'd love it if you wanted to support me by subscribing. It really does make a difference when you watch and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment, let me know if you're enjoying the week so far, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.